If phi and xi are simple functions which vanish outside a set of finite measure, then which of these options are correct? Because phi and xi are simple functions, then yes, phi and xi can be represented by a canonical representation, right? And also the integration of a phi plus b xi is equal to a integration of phi plus b integration of xi. This is the property, right? Now how we are getting these options? Let's discuss that. What is given to us that phi and xi are simple functions because since phi and xi are simple functions, so they can be represented by canonical representation. How they are represented as the canonical representation? Phi will be equal to the summation ai chi capital AI, where this capital AI is the set of all those x for which phi of x is equal to the constant ai, small ai, and also where the intersections of ai with aj is always equal to phi and ai equal to aj for I not equal to j. Similarly, and xi is represented as canonically the summation bi multiplied with chi capital Bi, where capital Bi is a set of all those x for which xi x is equal to small bi, the constant, and also where the intersection of bi with bj is phi, bi equal to bj for I not equal to j. Right? Now let's take ek to be the intersection of ai and bj. So we are taking ek to be the intersection of ai and bj. So let ek is equal to the intersection of ai's with bj's. Then they form the disjoint collection of the measurable set. They form the disjoint collections of measurable set and can be represented as phi to be equal to the summation ak multiply with chi ek, right? And xi to be equal to the summation small bk multiplied with, and so a phi plus b xi. So now when taking the integral on a phi plus b xi, we are getting this to be equal to the, integration of the summation a into ak plus b into bk into chi k, chi ek. So that is equal to, if I take this a constant outside, so this is a into summation ak and this chi ak is multiplied with this plus the integration of b into the summation bk multiplied with chi ek. As these are constants, so this is a into the integration of summation ak chi ek plus b into the integration of the summation bk chi ek. And this is equal to a, this is nothing but phi plus b into, this is nothing but xi, phi, and this is xi, right? So which option is correct? Yes, option A is correct, and these are also represented by canonical representation. So answer option A and C are correct. Alright, thank you.